Hey everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make a selection sort algorithm in Java. The selection sort algorithm takes an array of numbers and rearranges them into ascending or descending order. In the first pass, the algorithm will start by defining the current element as the first element in the array. Then we'll try to find the smallest element out of all of the numbers in the rest of the array. In this case, the smallest element is 2. Because 5 is larger than 2, those elements will swap places. Moving on to pass 2, the program will find the current element as 15 and the smallest element at 5. Because 15 is larger than 5, they will be swapped. If you get into a situation where the current element is smaller, then the program will begin the next pass without any swaps. This pattern will repeat until the array is fully sorted. Alright, to start off, I've already created the array we will be sorting and the method for printing out the results. Moving on to making the method for the selection sort algorithm. The method will be type void and the parameter will be an integer array, so the algorithm can sort the integer array we provided. The first for loop here will be representing each pass of the algorithm. Inside of the first for loop, I have made an int value called min_index to store the smallest value. The second for loop will be nested inside of our first for loop. This for loop represents the unsorted portion of the array. Then we will nest an if statement inside of the second for loop. This if statement compares the current element is larger than the smallest element in the array. If this is true, the smallest element will become min_index. Below the second for loop, we will implement the code to swap the place of the current and smallest elements. Now that the algorithm is complete, I will call it in the main portion of our program and print out the results. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.